Hey guys, Joey here, Cannon's RV, Joe's RV Tech DIY. We're installing a carbon monoxide / propane detector on our RV today. This is the one the customer supplied that he wants to use, that he bought online. It's digital, so it's got a digital readout on it. It's actually pretty cool. So I would go over everything about it, but you really just got to read up on it. It's easier. I'll post a link down in the description below, but this thing will tell you the level of CO2, and it will also it lets you know the elevation level of LP, or the percentage level. I have to read it again because I've never seen a digital readout on an LP, but the CO2, it's parts per million. On the LP, it says, I think it says EL percentage. So, and when it's on LP, it flashes and it says 1.3, 1.6. So I find that interesting. We are getting ready to do a LP leak test on this RV. So we'll check it out, see what works. But it's kind of a cool little carbon monoxide detector. I gotta find the name of it though. There's the box that it came in. But it just says dual LP model B03, black or white. And I can't find the actual name. Looks like it's just a product from China. So X004DXCTKP. I'm sure that's just copied of somebody else's. What does that say? Nuleto RV carbon monoxide truck camper trailer. So I'll see if I can find the OEM one, or if this indeed is the OEM one. I'll post a link down in the description below for you guys, and I'll post some more information on it down in the description. But customer handed it to me, so I don't know much about it. I just threw it on real quick where he wanted it. So these things can mount flush, or they can mount raised. It's kind of universal, so I put it on the way he wanted, and it went in place of the other one that used to be there that was broken. So until next time, guys, be sure to subscribe. Safe travels. And if you have any questions about carbon monoxide or propane leaks in your RV, comment below. I'd love to answer them. We'll talk to you next time.